Hey everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and you're watching another great episode of Maintenance Mondays on Toolbox Topic with the man who makes the mustache look good, Brandon Van Leeuwen. Brandon, go!
All right, well, a lot of you, I can tell, have not been watching the channel because every day I get these bikes that are coming in and they're disgusting. You know how I feel about a clean bike.
The same way you do about a white saddle.
I hate dirty bikes. If you're not going to clean your bike, at least do 3 things for me, especially on a dual suspension bike. 4 things for me, especially on a dual suspension
Are
bike.
you sure it's not 5?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
I want you to keep the stanchions on your fork, the stanchion on your shock, the stanchion on your dropper post, and your chain clean before you go on any ride. If you think about it, especially in Arizona, we have very fine dust particles in here. And what that's going to do is every time you compress that suspension fork, a little bit more dust is going to get in there every single time. So super simple to do. I'm sure you got old socks at home. I'm sure you got old t-shirts at home. Just keep one in the car. We have these shop rags around here, and before each ride or after you're done with each ride, just go through for me. Just do this for me, please. Just clean up your stanchions. This is a brand new bike, obviously, so it's clean. So I'll go through here. I'll kind of do a little floss in between the fork brace. Keep my stanchion clean here. I'll keep my stanchions clean on the shock. I don't own a dropper post, and I never will, but if you have one, go ahead and keep that stanchion on the dropper post clean by the seals. And here's the important part. Let's wipe off your chain after every ride or before the next ride. Easy to do. If you don't have a stand, just go lean it up against a wall. Just go backwards with it for a little while. I bet you this will even make a mark even though the bike's brand new. This one's pretty clean. It's brand new. Do this until you're going to make a nice dent in it. You're never going to get this thing completely clean, but just make an effort. Please just make an effort to keep this chain clean. The dirtier a chain is, the more it's going to wear out your parts, and then the more money it's going to cost you in the future. Don't forget after you clean the chain to re-lubricate it, and then it's so important that once you're done re-lubricating that you wipe off the excess lubrication. That excess, if you have a really sticky or I don't
Viscous.
know, gross, viscous lubrication, it's just gonna, the stuff's just gonna glom on there, you're gonna make a bigger mess. So find a good lubrication that works well in your area, talk to your local tech, use it, and then use it correctly. And that'll make all your parts last long. Your bike's gonna run better, it's gonna be quiet. You're gonna thank me.